So I just took my makeup off, okay? Take some Fix Plus to prep my skin. And we're just gonna rub that in. We're just gonna rub that everywhere. I'm gonna take some Huda Beauty, some primer, I believe. And we're gonna open that. And we're gonna... So I'm just going to be prepping my skin still. I put a lot on my face, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take this foundation. This is Neutrogena in shade, I don't know. I'm just gonna open that. I can't open it. So I'm gonna be putting this all over my face. A second coat. Use this brush right here from Smashbox, and we're just going to blend it all. Alright, next we are going to use some concealer. And on the bridge of my nose. There, yeah. And then a little bit on my forehead. This is looking so good. A lot of powder. Okay. Take some powder and just set my face everywhere. Bronzer, and we're gonna bronze up my cheekbones, my forehead, and then my other cheek. And then my forehead. Take the Pretty Vulgar highlighter in Glimmers of BS. And I'm gonna put that... Oh, I took a lot. I'm gonna put that knot on my chin. Yeah, and on the tip of my... I love to put it on the tip of my nose. So now I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow. Put that on my eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some mascara. And to complete the look, we're gonna take some lip gloss because you guys know I love lip gloss, my favorite. So I'm gonna put it on my lips. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on. I made some mistakes. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe, go back in with some foundation. And even though we set my face, put bronzer and highlighter, who cares, right? I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup look. Super simple. Yeah. Haters. This video was honestly a fail. I thought you were gonna do better, but the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it. It was honestly a big fail. The final look.